Hey guys, so today I'm very excited because I'm transforming my room. Do I need to? No. Do I want to? Yes, because I'm so bored. I think because of quarantine and me being stuck in my room pretty much all the time, I'm sick of it. Is my room completely fine and looks cute already? Yes. But do I hate everything about it? Yes. I don't hate it, I'm just sick and tired of it. I have no color in my room. I feel like it's very bland, very boring. So I wanted to spice things up. I already spray painted all my furniture. I'm very excited about it. It's very cute. I spray painted my dresser like green, very cute. And then I spray painted my white nightstand. I spray painted that purple. And then I also got a bookshelf and like a coat rack. So I think the first order of business is moving this desk out of my room because it takes up so much space. I only do my makeup on it, which I have an idea for a whole new makeup station. So I'm getting rid of the desk. Pen tab, please excuse my dirty ass bed. I'm hoping my dresser's dry. If my dresser's dry, you're gonna see me bringing it in next. It kind of looks like tie-dye. I didn't mean to do that, but I'm not mad at it. It's like cute, right? I put all my clothes in my dresser, and then on top of my dresser I added these magazines, my perfume, the cloud thing that came with my other perfume, and this vase. I was gonna put more, but I feel like I kind of like it just like this. I'm gonna take down this purse corner. It's not even a full corner. I'm gonna move my poster that I have right here. That one, I'm gonna move it right here, I think. Vibes? Yes or no? This is a coat hanger that I spray painted with the same spray paint I used for my dresser. I'm pretty sure it's called pistachio, satin pistachio, something like that. It'll be on the screen. But I'm gonna put my purses on it. And I think I'm gonna do it right here. Is that vibes? I don't know which side I like it better on. So this is my nightstand. I spray painted it purple. I also spray painted this bookshelf. So now I'm gonna put stuff on the bookshelf. Also, I think I need to move that on this side. I don't know. Does that look good? I think that looks fine. I don't know. Okay. Period. Now I'm gonna put stuff on this bookshelf. I finished. Let me show you guys. I really like it. So right when you walk in, here's my little makeup station. I got this from a thrift store. And then on it, I put these two gold butterfly things. I don't know, I put my earrings in them. They're also from a thrift store. Also have this jewelry box from a thrift store. This is from the Dollar Tree. This is from either the thrift store or the Dollar Tree. And then this is from Hobby Lobby, I think. So this is the makeup stand, and I'll probably end up putting like a rug or something so it's easier to sit. And then I have my Midsummer poster above it. Low-key, like the Midsummer poster is what inspired me to add color to my room. Because like, that's beautiful. Moving on, here's my closet. And then this is my dresser. So again, spray painted this green. It was originally just wood and then I painted it white and now it's green. And on here I just have magazines, this little postcard, perfume, cloud, vase, mirror, angel thing. I have this purse hanging on it just because this is my favorite bag I've ever found at a thrift store. And I think it looks cute, so I leave it on my dresser. Then moving this way, I have my chair. It's just like a leather chair. It rolls, which is very nice. So if I wanted to do my makeup sitting down, I could sit there and just roll it over. Very nice. I got it from OfferUp. That's my comfy, the blanket hoodie thing. And then that pillow is from a thrift store. And then moving next to this is my bookshelf, which originally it was like crayons, which is why it's shaped like that. But I feel like you can't, unless I tell you, you don't know, you know, it just looks fancy, okay? On the top, I just have a candle and then these little angels I got from a thrift store. And then this candle holder, I wanna get a candle for it. Probably won't light it because it's right there, but. And then here I have like these books. I have this clown figurine and I think it's really cute. I know it's kind of creepy, but I think it's cute. And I have another one right there. That's a jewelry box. And then down here I have like a Dr. Seuss book that one of my teachers gave me when I graduated. And then I have like books you like write things in. Like, I don't know, like this is like the positivity kit, 52 list for stuff like that. And then on top of it is a photo album of just like some pictures I have from when I was little. And then I have my Jennifer's Body poster, which I made that. I just found that picture online and printed it out on one of those like poster maker websites. This is my mirror. Oh, I don't have shoes on. This is my mirror. I got it from Home Goods like a long time ago, but it used to be silver and I spray painted it gold a while ago. And then next to that I have my purse rack. It's came with a set with this thing because it's also a pencil on top or a crayon. I spray painted it green. It's the same green as my dresser, and I just have all my purses hanging on it, and I think it looks really cute. And then moving on, I have my nightstand that I spray painted purple. It used to be white. I think I just got it off of Amazon, honestly. And then I have these 2 candles, mostly just for show and because I have no place else to put them. And then this lamp is very cute, very old. I got it from a thrift store, but it's so cute. I love it. This is just a random coaster I got from a thrift store. Literally my entire room is like from the thrift store or OfferUp. I love the thrift store at OfferUp. That's just a wireless charger. And then we have my bed. Ignore the stain. I spilt nail polish. I have these 2 posters. This one's Scream and then this one's from Happy Death Day 2. But they're not real movie posters. I got them from like alternativemovieposters.com or something. I don't know. But then above my bed, I put this moon mirror. I think it looks very cute on top of my bed. This is my room. I don't know how people get such good shots of their room, but I'm trying. Oh yeah, I also have this poster on the back of my door, but it's all sorts of messed up when you look close at it, but I still like it, so I'm leaving it. Hamper right there. My laptop is momentarily in the hamper, and then a trash can. And that is my new room. Do you guys like it? So yeah, here's my new room. I really like it. I think I needed some color in my life. I needed something new. I needed something that you wake up and you're like, oh, it looks so pretty. I can't wait to get up and do something, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed finally changing up my room. If I forgot to mention anything and you guys want to know where they're from, just comment down below. But honestly, like, it's probably from the thrift store. I'm sorry. I'm addicted to thrifting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Bye, best friend. Bye, best friend. Bye, best friend. Bye, best friend. My nose contour is not... I'm gonna just stay back. Okay.